Are you over 50, working out consistently, but your arms still look the same? You might be making one or several of the 7 most common mistakes that keep your triceps small, soft, and stuck. Today, I'll break them all down and show you what to do instead. I'm Mohammed Arish, and this guide is made specifically for those in their 50s, 60s, and even 70s, who want stronger arms, better mobility, and functional strength. Let's get right to it. Cable pushdowns feel good, but they only target one part of the triceps. If you want real size and strength, you need to stimulate all 3 heads, especially the long head, which gives your arm that horseshoe look. What to do instead? Start your workouts with overhead dumbbell extensions or close grip push-ups. These movements hit the long head effectively, and they're joint-friendly too. At this stage in life, training smart matters more than training heavy. Using momentum or swinging dumbbells puts stress on your elbows and shoulders, not your triceps. Slow your reps down. Use a 2-3 second negative and pause when you extend. Focus on feeling the muscle work, not just moving the weight. The long head of the triceps runs down the back of your arm. If you're not training with your arms overhead, you're missing the most powerful part of your triceps. Overhead dumbbell extensions, especially on a bench with slight incline. Just keep those elbows tight and don't lock out hard at the top. Muscles grow when you rest. But at 50 plus, our recovery is slower. If you train arms too often or don't get enough sleep, your body never gets the chance to grow. Train triceps 2 times per week. Max, get 7-9 hours of sleep and take 1-2 rest days between sessions. Even with the best workout, you won't see results if your body doesn't have the fuel to build muscle. Here's what you need. At least 0.7-1.0 grams of protein per pound of body weight, healthy fats and complex carbs like oats, vegetables, nuts. And yes, water, lots of it. Hydration keeps joints healthy and boosts recovery. Your triceps adapt quickly. If you've been lifting the same weights, doing the same reps for months, it's time to level up. Add 1-2 reps per week, slow down your tempo, or add a 4th set once a movement gets easy. Smart changes equal safe gains. You don't need to train every day, but you do need to show up regularly. 3 workouts a week. Focused, clean form, solid recovery. Beats 6 rushed workouts with no plan. Stick to your routine, celebrate the small wins. The results will come. Your age doesn't limit your ability to grow muscle, it just changes your approach. Be patient, be consistent, be smart. And if you want a full step-by-step plan made specifically for people over 50, I've created a complete PDF guide that walks you through workouts, nutrition, and recovery strategies for real triceps results. Click the link in the description to download Unlocking Arm Power, your complete guide to triceps growth after 50. It's totally free. You deserve strong, functional arms for life. Let's make it happen. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have questions? Drop them below. I personally reply to everyone.